It's been almost 4 years that I traveled by train, and I know as a kid I used to love traveling by train, and even now I was so excited when we booked the ticket for double decker train from Bangalore to Chennai. So we chose to board the train at Krishnarajpuram railway station because it is near to our home. Not very near, but comparatively nearer than the KSR Bengaluru station. So the scheduled time of this train is 2:54 p.m. at this station, but we came 2 hours earlier and then decided to have lunch at Bengaluru Bites, very nearby Krishnarajpuram railway station. We waited on platform number 1 itself for quite some time because the other platform was way too crowded. Dhiru was also very excited to travel by train after such a long time, and he started repeating the railway announcements as he found it very amusing. Finally, our train was arriving, and what is this? Being a first time traveler of double decker train, I was assuming it to be train about train, but this was just a little bigger than normal train. There are two decks in this train, upper deck and lower deck, and there are steps inside. And just telling because maybe you are also a first time traveler of double decker train like me. Our seats were in the lower deck, and we got near that center table where we got a little extra space to keep our luggage. I went to the upper deck to take a video, and people were staring at me. Maybe they thought that I don't have a confirmed seat and I was looking for a seat. Dhiru was looking at the views from the train and was telling some stories with some cute expressions, and I tried to capture that, but as soon as I turned on the video he said that no, he won't talk to the camera. And then we had masala dal vada, and after some time I thought I'll go near the door and record the intro and outro of this video, but it was super windy and so noisy. So I stood silently there and enjoyed the landscapes and the fresh air. And then I came back to my seat and it started raining, and we took chai and bhajis and bondas with it. As ours was the center table seat, people sitting across were looking at us from the corner of their eyes for every bite of the bhaji that we took. We reached Chennai at 8:30 p.m. and I hope you have enjoyed watching this video of train journey with me.